you look out the front, you'll be looking at Lake Ontario.
Can you see okay, Martha?
So we are traveling at 15 miles or 20, 15
Step to the front, man.
or 22 kilometers an hour. Takes 58 seconds to reach the lookout level. Excuse me. Once there, you'll be 346 meters or 114 building stories above the ground. Now, if you're head to Skypod, once we stop at the lookout level, you're going to go towards your left. Line up by the silver railings, and the elevator will take you up. The last floor level is one below. Take any available staircase. The last floor level is where you get the elevator to go back down. If you have any questions or comments, feel free. Otherwise, enjoy the view.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
How many years have this tower?
Almost 32.
Anything else?
Okay, here we are. Just watch your step, please.